and welcome to Helen's How To's, and I'm so excited today because I've got my friend Justin coming from The Feel Good Man, and he's coming today for a lovely tropic facial. And I'm also going to talk to you guys about how you can really perfect your skincare routine and help you with any skincare concerns that you might have. So yeah, let's welcome him in and get going. So, we've got the lovely Justin here, relaxing. Do you feel nice and relaxed, Justin?
Oh, do now.
Yeah? It's all nice. We've taken his top off, so we've got his shoulders free. So within the facial, I'm going to start by cleansing his face and down the neck area. And this area here is called the décolletage, if we're going to get technical. But very simply, the very first step of the facial is your cleanser. So if you boys are at home, the most important thing for you guys to be doing at least twice a day is cleansing your faces properly. So this is the Soothing Cleanser. It's full of lovely fresh ingredients such as green tea, eucalyptus, green coffee extract, and we are now going to put some of this onto Justin's face.
Mm-hmm.
Can you smell it, Justin?
Oh, it's amazing. I'm in heaven already.
Just going to get a little bit more. And this is going to really get out any of the dirt and grime on your face. And it's also going to put those lovely natural ingredients into the skin as well. Now, every cleanser comes with a bamboo cloth. So in here I've actually got the men's bamboo cloth, which is a lovely green colour. You want to get that nice and hot. You want to just make sure that you're then removing all of that cleanser and removing away all that dirt and grime.
I suppose if it's green you can't see the dirt.
Exactly.
That's a good thing.
But do always keep your cloth nice and clean. So regularly wash it at home. And I normally go in at least twice with a nice rinse out and another wipe, just removing all of that cleanser. And that is really your standard facial cleanse for you guys. Now, if you guys are prone to any outbreaks of spots, if you actually suffer with acne, blackheads, if your skin is particularly oily, what you need is a double cleanse. So our clear slate cleansing powder would be the ideal cleanser to use as a second cleanse. So you can see it's grey, it's got bamboo in here, it's got volcanic ash, it's got plant enzymes, and they are going to literally eat up that oil on your face, break down those dead skin cells to help with preventing the breakouts and also blackheads as well. So I'm not going to use it on Justin because he's got really lovely clear skin actually. So he's just had a one cleanse. But for you guys that might be prone to acne and things like that, then I would definitely recommend the clear slate.
My face certainly feels fresh already.
How does it feel?
Feels fresh.
Do you want to give it a little touch?
Oh, soft as a baby's bum.
Yeah, does it feel alright?
Yeah, it feels nice.
Good. So our next step, dead easy, we're going to go in with some vitamin toner. So do you tone, Justin? Justin does not tone. So this is where you're going to be putting all those vitamins into your skin. So if I can get you to close your eyes and your mouth. And I'm just going to spritz this over Justin's face. You're then going to be adding all those vitamins into your face. It's literally a quick spray, done, dead easy. And then your third step within a really good cleansing routine for you boys is to moisturise. You moisturise, Justin?
Sometimes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Sometimes? Every day?
Not every day.
Not every day.
Sometimes.
So if you can get into doing it every day, the benefits to your skin are going to be massive. You've got ingredients in here such as hyaluronic acid, which are going to help with any fine lines and wrinkles. It's going to plump your skin, it's going to make it look more glowy. You've also got loads of fresh fruit, flower and seed extracts in here, so we're going to pop that into your skin. So on a normal day, that would be it, twice a day. You're going to cleanse, you're going to tone and you're going to moisturise. But for Justin's facial today, I'm going to use a face mask. We're going to get a face mask on him. So we actually have 3 different face masks. We have one for deep hydration, we have one for clear skin, which is for outbreaks and spots, and we have one that helps with fine lines and wrinkles. So Justin, any particular preference? I don't think you need anything for spots because you've got quite clear skin, so I think I'm going to put that one back. We could use a bit of both. We could do a bit of deep hydration, we could do a bit of facelift, which is going to help with those fine lines and wrinkles. What do you think?
Yeah, I definitely think the wrinkles one.
The wrinkles one?
Yeah, a little bit around the eyes.
Go with a little bit of facelift?
Yeah, why not?
So our facelift actually does get results within 1 use. It actually improves the skin and the elasticity after 1 use by 48%. How incredible is that? So we'll see, Justin, what you think your skin looks like afterwards.
So is this a mask that dries, or does it just stay wet and then you wipe it off?
It will dry. We will leave this on for 10 to 20 minutes and it will go. Slightly different colour, lighter in colour. I'm putting it on the areas that I think might be a bit more prone to needing a bit of tightening and brightening, so across your forehead. But your cheeks are a tiny bit pink, so I think what we'll do with your cheeks is we will use the deep hydration mask and give that area some hydration. And also across the beard area as well. The facelift mask has turmeric in it, so turmeric is really good for anti-inflammatory properties. Can you smell this? Does it smell good?
It smells fruity.
Fruity, yeah, it's got loads of super berries in. This is going to make your skin glow. Do you ever do face masks at home?
Not really.
Not really a man thing, is it?
No.
However, I reckon if you gave it a go, you'd get into it. It's getting into it, you know, the habit of doing it and giving it a go. So this is going to stay on for about 10 to 20 minutes. I'm going to put it all over your nose as well. Down your neck. So we're going to let that settle, let that soak in, all of those gorgeous ingredients going into the skin there. And we'll come back and have a little look at Justin's face in a minute once it's gone a little bit more into the skin and dried. So Justin has been lying here with his face mask on for a good 15 to 20 minutes. How does it feel, Justin?
It feels a bit tight, because obviously there are 2 different ones, and the one on my forehead does feel quite tight. I feel I can't frown. The rest of my face feels quite nice.
Yeah? So this one should have gone tight.
Yeah,
it's
that's gone tight.
And this one is all nice and creamy. It is important for guys with any beard area to avoid face masks on the beard area, except with the Tropic Deep Hydration Mask, it actually goes on that area really nicely and removes really nicely, and actually conditions and softens that area. So I wouldn't worry too much about putting deep hydration on the beard area, but I would avoid facelift and clear skin mask on the beard area because it's just going to take ages to come off. So let's get this one on here. Let's start to remove this.
Oh, that feels nice.
Is it? It's nice to have the hot cloth on the skin, all off. So I'm going to retone the skin, because obviously the toner that we applied earlier before the mask would have come off. And I'm just going to wipe over again. If you're doing this at home, guys, it's so quick and easy. You're just literally cleansing and spritzing your toner, and then popping on your moisturiser. Another thing that I'm going to pop on Justin's skin that I want to talk about, which is so important, especially if you guys are working outside, is thinking about protecting your skin from the sun all year round as well. So it is important to wear an SPF. So I've popped the moisturiser on, but what I'm going to put on over the top of this is our Tropic Sunday SPF Factor 50. Even if you're not working outside, even if you are inside, every single day of the year it is so important to have an SPF Factor 50 on, because you've still got the UVA and the UVB rays coming through. You've got the pollution, you've got so many things that can damage your skin. So by wearing an SPF, it's really going to protect Justin's face.
I've got to say, I do work outside sometimes, and no matter what time of year, and whether it's rain or shine, I get home in the evening and my face feels sore.
Yeah.
Like it's sunburn or windburn or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, so...
I think it is so important every day. I wear an SPF 50 every day of the year. Even if I don't think I'm going out, believe it or not, you can even get the rays off of things like your phone and iPads. The visible light will affect your skin. So if you want to protect your skin, then SPF all the way is so important. And there we have it. That is a very simple facial, which you can carry on at home doing.
I promise I will.
Yes, he promises. That's great. And I hope you enjoyed it, Justin.
Yeah, it was very nice. Thank you very much, Helen. I feel nice and relaxed, and
Good, good.
my face feels
All fresh.
fresh and lovely and new.
Good. Thank you. So we also have a great range specifically designed for men. So although all Tropic products can be used by everybody, these products here are designed for men in mind, and that is because men do actually have different skin to women. It tends to be thicker, tends to be more oilier, larger pores, and men's skin also ages at different rates to females. Men can also be less dry than females and also produce a lot more sebum. So this is basically designed to help men who produce a lot of oil, and also because guys are shaving as well, so their skin can be a little bit more irritated. So we've got here the Look Sharp, which is our sensitive shave, and that contains aloe vera juice. It contains golden jojoba oil. Really fabulous product for shaving. You can see here in our catalogue that it has actually won an award. If you don't shave, it also acts as a really good softener for beards. So if you are growing your stubble like this handsome man here in the magazine, it will actually soften your beard as well. We have the Tropic Clear Slate Cleansing Powder, which is great for oily skin. So specifically if you're prone to blackheads and acne and outbreaks, then this is a great cleansing product. Women can use it as well, but this is part of the male range. We also have a men's moisturiser, our Look Good moisturiser. It's very lightweight, fast absorbing, very hydrating, so it goes on really well after shaving or even if over stubble and beards, and it contains a lot of vitamin C and lots of antioxidants. It's got a really nice smell to it as well as our body wash, which smells gorgeous. So this is the men's body wash, contains eucalyptus, bergamot and black pepper. It's pH balanced, because it is important for you guys to be using stuff on your body that is good for you. It's safe, it's clean, it's fresh. So you have got these male products here, and this one here is our Pebble. So it's our cleansing pebble that you can wash with in the shower or the bath. And yeah, they're really, really lovely range. So not only can you use any of Tropic Skincare products, but we do have the male grooming range as well. Oh, that was so nice to give Justin a facial. If you guys are passing Horsham, come and see us at Belle Beauty. There's absolutely nothing wrong with you blokes also looking after your skin and coming to a beauty salon and having some regular facials. In the meantime, I have got Justin's goodies here, so all his Tropic Skincare bits that we use in his facial for him to take home. Please do subscribe to my channel, give me a like if you like the video, and check out some of my other videos as well. Bye guys!